Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today to honor the Crimson Scrubs Student Organization for your accomplishment of earning the Student Organization of the Year Student Excellence Award. So student clubs at WSU Tri-Cities make great contributions to the campus environment. They connect students through social, academic, professional, cultural, and special interest outlets. They also provide leadership opportunities and hands-on experience for their members. The Student Org of the Year recognizes a student organization for their contribution to campus and to their members.
I think our biggest accomplishment has been able to work together still during these times where we can't meet together, but we do our Zoom meetings and we try to find ways where we can include students, and collaborating together helps us kind of make us more united and contribute to our community.
Nursing really involves a lot of teamwork, and so when that's kind of not necessarily taken from us because of COVID, it just made it a lot harder to be able to continue to connect. So this club has been really awesome at maintaining the connections, I guess.
I've just been very impressed with how much work they've been able to get done, and they've done an amazing job of coming up with a lot of activities on their own and doing it all virtually and having it all have a focus with healthcare. I mean, they've been doing, they did a flu immunization clinic. They've helped out with COVID clinics. They've had all these virtual events to study for boards, for study sessions and stuff like that. And the leadership of the club has just been absolutely amazing.
Some quotes from some things your nominator said that I wanted to read. I really think that nursing students have been impacted by this pandemic in a different way than the rest of our students. Yet they still used this co-curricular engagement method to support each other and find ways to stay connected. Crimson Scrubs has been active at WSU Tri-Cities for a very long time, and I think it's their time to get recognized for their selflessness in career choice, especially with this pandemic. Go WSU TC Nursing.